let's detangle my daughter's 2 weeks old protective hairstyle. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I use the okra gel I made in my last video to detangle my daughter's hair. Her hair is 2 weeks old, so it's time to take it down and wash it. At this point, I use water to spray on her hair, and I'll just go ahead and massage the water into her hair. So I will use my okra gel to loosen her hair. I'll be taking one hair at a time. So you can use okra gel as a detangler, which I'm doing now. I'm using it as a detangler to take down her hair. You can also use it to take down your own protective hairstyle. It's easier and more faster, and it will help reduce hair breakage along the line. You can also use okra gel as a pre-poo, which I'll also be using in this, making use of it in this video. I'll use it as a detangler and also a pre-poo since I'm washing her hair today. So all I had to do was to apply the okra gel into the hair, and you can see how smooth and easy it was for me to lose the hair. So I'll go in again and add my okra gel. I'll add a little so that I'll be able to take down the hair without losing much hair. So yes, I'll allow you to watch the video and see how I took down her hair, and it was very easy and fast. One thing you should never do when taking down your children's hair or your own hair is to do it when you don't feel like losing your hair. You get frustrated along the line, and at the end of the day you will lose a lot of hair due to how your mood was. So I strongly suggest that when you want to take down your hair, you make sure you are mentally and physically ready for it, because taking down natural hair or any hair needs a lot of patience, and it needs a detangler also. So you can make use of your okra gel or any other detangler that you have available. That way you'll be able to minimize breakage and you'll be able to retain much length. So after taking down this particular hair, I applied my okra gel and I'm using my fingers to detangle. I did not go in with my detangling brush or my white tooth comb first. I'm using my fingers first, because using my fingers helped me to go through each strand of her hair and being able to remove every knot and tangles in her hair. I prefer finger detangling her hair first before going in with my white tooth comb or my detangling brush. Yes, so after this I'll be showing you how much hair she lost for this particular section of hair. I'll show you the little amount of hair that she lost. So yes, I'm going in again with my fingers to make sure I remove every tangle and every knot. You can see how her coils are popping. Yes, okra gel bring out the coils in your hair. So this is the little amount of hair she lost. If you are still watching this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and drop your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know what you think about okra gel. Will you be trying this detangler or will you be trying it as a pre-poo? Just drop your thoughts in the comment section, and don't forget to share this video to your loved ones, to those who are interested in growing their natural hair. If you are someone who is interested in growing their hair or their children's hair, then this channel is where you should be. So do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a video. I'll allow you to watch and enjoy the rest of this video. Taking down this 2 weeks old hair was very easy, but it took time, but it was, and trust me, the amount of hair she lost was just little. And yes, so let me know, will you be trying the okra gel on your hair anytime soon, or what do you think? So thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.